I wanted to, I wasn't sure if you were.
I'll keep going, no worries. Got cut off, profile, groove, and thread on the main spindle, and then profile, groove, and thread on the sub-spindle.
If you need to get in, let me know. I'll just move out.
I can just peek in there.
Get the hell out of the way.
Yeah, I take care of these very well. Constantly cleaning the coolant, cleaning the chuck.
What I was expecting,
everything.
What I was expecting and what I'm seeing are three different things. Oh yeah. This machine is in amazing condition.
Take care of my stuff. Yeah, I'm just going to pause it for a second. If we want to take a video of the sub-spindle doing stuff.
Okay. Just please.
That's a new threader we put in there compared to the one I had. It's half the passes and it'll take it twice as much off, getting it done in half time.
Oh wow. I'm so far. I've been most of my life I spent in repair. I haven't written a real program since like '95. It's the old like
I didn't know anything until I worked here, but I worked a lot with the people from Star, Sagami, and OptiPro. And then I worked with my tool guy, Tom Town, also with this Star Tooling. We run for speed here usually. My Sagami over there makes a part in 21 seconds.
Wow.
And then my Swiss Lathe 26. I mean, they're not difficult parts, but...
Well. And then we push him out the back.
Believe it or not, I'm using a titanium grade. Got too much chips going through there, we'll get stuck.
Well,
I'm grabbing bar and I'm like this from the beginning of the bar too.
oh well.
So that pretty works good.
It's a chip conveyor. It's.
You do a couple things out.